How to see comments and replies on threads. What's up everyone? In this tutorial, I'm going to be guiding you on how you can easily find comments and replies on the Threads app. So let's jump right into it. First thing first, you are going to need to open the app and log into your account. Once you are logged in, what you need to do is go ahead and scroll down through your feed. And if you want to see someone that has replied to uh, their threads. So what you're going to do is, for example, if I go ahead and tap on the F1's profile, and I want to check where the official F1's profile has interacted with. Here, under the threads, you will find the replies tab separately. You can just tap on it, and as you can see, F1 has specifically replied to this person on this thread, and here is every interaction that has been made throughout this account. So you can find it like this. And in case you want to find yours, what you can do is go ahead and open up your profile at the bottom right. And then once you get to your profile, you'll find threads first and then your replies. So here are a few replies I've made. So for example, if you want to delete it, you can just do this by tapping on the three dots like this. I'm going to do that for this as well. Tap on the three dots and then tap on delete. Now I will have no more replies left on my profile. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys on the next one.